Ever wondered if you could recover messages that you or someone else deleted on Telegram? If you've ever lost something important in a chat, you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through what's actually possible when it comes to viewing deleted messages on Telegram, and I'll share the one essential step you need to take if you want to preserve your conversations before they disappear for good. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Telegram handles deleted messages and how you can stay ahead of accidental losses in the future. Alright, let's get straight to the point. Telegram is well known for its focus on privacy and security. When a message is deleted in a Telegram chat, whether by you or by another participant in the conversation, Telegram permanently removes that message. There's no undo button. Unlike some other platforms, Telegram doesn't keep a backup or an archive of deleted chats hidden anywhere you can access later. So once it's gone from Telegram, it's gone forever. This privacy feature is intentional, designed to give users full control over their data. It means neither you nor the app, nor anyone else can restore deleted messages through the Telegram interface. Now you might be wondering, is there any way at all to see deleted messages? The answer is yes, but only if you planned ahead. Telegram allows you to export your chat history, and this is the only method to keep a record of your messages before they're ever deleted. Think of it like making a copy of important files before you clean up your computer. Once you clear it out, the originals are gone, but your saved copies are safe. To do this, you need to use Telegram's desktop app, as this feature isn't available in the mobile version. Here, how it works. First, open Telegram on your computer. Then go to Settings and look for the Export Data or Telegram Export tool. From here, you can select the chats you want to back up. You'll have options to include messages, photos, videos, and more, depending on what's important to you. Once you start the export, Telegram will save your chat history as a file on your computer. This process might take a few minutes, especially if your chat history is long, so don't worry if it's not instant, just let it run and you'll have a local copy soon. This exported chat history acts like your personal archive. If you later delete a message or an entire chat on Telegram, you can still open that exported file and see everything you saved up to the moment you exported. It's kind of like printing out photos before wiping your phone. You're creating a snapshot to refer back to just in case something gets deleted later. I know it might be disappointing to hear that once a message is gone from Telegram, there's no magic recovery button. But that's how Telegram protects your privacy, and it's important to understand this limit. If you haven't exported your messages before deletion, unfortunately, there's no legitimate method to retrieve them. So if you have important chats, maybe business conversations, special memories, or anything you don't want to lose, make sure to export them regularly. It's a good habit, especially if you're cleaning up old messages or deciding to delete chats. Alright, so to wrap up, there's no way to see deleted messages on Telegram unless you've exported your chats beforehand. Telegram's strong privacy measures mean that once something's deleted, it really is gone for good. To protect yourself from future losses, remember to make those exports before you hit delete. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with the export steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.